Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. These are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. This is the card. I will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance. And I will leave this card here. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aquarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have given my friend's favor link. She is a very good intuitive reader. So I have shared her link in the description, guys. If you are interested, you can contact her, Aquarius. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first, guys. So we have Knight of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. So today in your circumstances, you are really happy. You have that emotional satisfaction, contentment, and joy today. Things are, going in the right way, happy for the way things are going. And maybe there is some kind of a change in place for you, for some of you. You are moving to a different place or a different city, or maybe taking up a new job for some of you. And for some of you, you like this new change coming today, guys. You were expecting this change maybe, and you're happy for it. But for some of you, if you did not expect or if you did not want this change to happen, it is something quite stressful. You need to make a lot of adjustments, and that is something you do not like, guys, maybe. So that may be the reason for some stress today for you, Aquarius. So the same way in this relationship, things are changing between you both. Circumstances are changing. Maybe they are moving away, staying away from you, changing residence maybe, and it is quite stressful for you. It may be your energy or their energy. And for some of you, you may have a lot of doubts on this person. You are thinking whether this person loves you or maybe they are not interested in you. And what is the reason for their move away from you? And you are thinking why they are moving away from you, from this relationship. But the reasons may be because they have taken up a new job, or they are looking for a new job or better opportunities. It is nothing to do with you, guys. So their focus and attention is on their ambition or their dreams and aspirations. But you are thinking that they have someone else interesting them. And you need to understand that they are really faithful and loyal. And they love you, guys. You can be happy. Feel happy because they are really honest and trustworthy, Aquarius. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Devil in reverse. So though this person is really loyal to you, you have a lot of confusion, you want a lot of answers, something really stressing you, something really troubling you, because you do not see things with clarity, guys. Maybe there are people talking against this love, against this person to you. That may be the reason you feel this way. People are trying to poison your mind against this love. Maybe because they may have their own reasons, maybe they do not like your person. So you need to see things more clearly, guys. With these cards, I feel that they are really loyal and trustworthy. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's 8 of Cups. So there is a good news coming in your work situation, something really positive. It may be a great opportunity, some new offer or some lucrative offers today in your work situation, Aquarius. So for your moon energies, guys, we picked one card. We will see what it is. A win-win outcome is forecast. Again, a very good card, a very positive card here, guys. So in your work situation, there is some kind of a partnership coming in your way, and maybe in your relationship, if you are ready for a new connection, if you are single, you are finding someone interesting, finding someone very loving and caring coming towards you. Or if you are already in a connection, you are moving towards that next step of commitment, maybe, or maybe for some of you this relationship is coming to an end, guys. So this may be the time for you to focus on yourself for a while, look after yourself, and maybe if you see this other person with that loving intention, you are going to change your perception. So you must try to give up your ego and see your circumstances with that balanced and harmonious outlook. That is going to change the way things are going, guys. And this may be a time for a lot of emotional drama in your circumstances, but you need to handle this circumstance lovingly. That is going to bring a positive outcome today, guys, Aquarius. So for your love guidance, we picked one card, Aquarius, and it says freedom. So with this card, it just means that you need to really feel free. Do not suppress that freedom you have with other people's opinions or expectations. So you need to let yourself feel and show the world what you truly are. So instead of showing that false face, you need to be true to yourself, true to your honest intentions deep down in your heart of hearts. When you do that, you are going to feel more powerful, feel more happy, and if whatever it is, whether it is good or bad or indifferent, whatever the truth is in your heart, that is what you are, guys, today, and you need to honor all of it. When you do that, you are going to learn from that, and you are going to, what to say, live a free life and be that loving and compassionate person and a guide to your own self, light to your own self. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.